After creating a new campaign, it's time to select your template so you can craft the message that you want to send to your prospects and then begin sending your messages. You can do this while the status is still uploading. So right now we have approximately 465 prospects. If I refresh the page, you'll see we have more that have been added to the system since we last refreshed the page. You can begin sending to prospects as soon as your prospect count has as many as you're ready to send. So let's go ahead and go into the template, SMS template, and select the template that we want to use. Click the Add or Edit button. You can create new ones by clicking the New Template button here. We'll go into the one that we primarily use, which is the primary outgoing message. You can name your templates whatever you choose. Here's where the power of Lead Sherpa really starts to shine through, because you can see you can merge in different names, addresses, and then whatever your custom field, if you choose to use one, into the actual message, which makes it personalized and doesn't appear to be spammy. So for us, we like to say apologies for the message out of the blue, but my name is, when we use our leads manager or our acquisitions manager's name here. We say we want to speak with you about purchasing whatever the property address, and it merges it in. You have to use these custom fields here, or these merge fields, exactly as they're written in order for them to come through correctly. Click the Save Message button when you're ready, and we'll go back to the campaign. Now it's time to select the drop down. You can easily select from however many different templates that you have to use. We'll select this one that we just were talking about here. You can also see your import stats. You can see litigators have been removed. You can see it breaks it out by the total number of prospects, total phone numbers, and then landline and mobile numbers are broken out as well. We can obviously only contact mobile phone numbers through this system. So when you're ready, you can begin sending messages. And what makes Sherpa TCPA compliant is that we are not an auto dialer. Each message requires human intervention prior to the message being sent. And so you can see it is also scalable in this way though. So we'll go ahead and send out about 100 messages. And while I'm doing that, you can see it's cycling through each one of the prospects. And it takes probably about 20 seconds or so to send out 100 messages. We recommend sending 100 messages, 100 batch messages in each batch. And you'll see a response rates batch column down here start to form, and we'll talk about that in another video. You can refresh the page, and you can see our batch sent versus the delivered is starting to come through here. Sometimes carriers don't deliver every message that we send, and the system retries through another number. So this is really the quickest way to get going.